And this important part, you need to practice them so that you can be able to, you can be able to enjoy and know them more or better. Okay, so I'll be using this one. I'll be using this form, and also I want to come here. Just to start, let's start with our bash, Git bash. You start from the Git bash from your system. Every one of you has a Git in a computer, so don't worry. So you start your Git bash. So your terminal will be open. The terminal will be open. So when the terminal is open, then you can be on a Git. We say Git. Let's say version, right? You check the version, and you find that you have a version. Just to recap what we have seen in a previous class. And also to recap what we have seen in the previous class, let me once again pull so let me once again pull this collaborative tools. All right. This was all about the Git. Why do we need a Git? Not that one. Just okay. So just to recap, why do we need a collaboration? That we need either to interact or communicate with the different people, friends, family, but at this time we want to collaborate with the teammates on a project or on a given task. So these are the different ways we can do it. And also we saw that the thing which makes this collaboration take place because of the network or connected devices which people can use to exchange the information. We saw the mode of collaboration, the way we can collaborate. This is a narrative way, looking at how you can spend your day or how you can start your day. And then all these things have demonstrated to be as the same way we may design an application when a user needs to interact with the system. So we found this given the models of collaboration, synchronicity, physical distribution, scale, number of communities, and nascence, planned, turnover. These are the models which we have discussed in our previous class. So, being here on a Git here, we want to collaborate with the team on same task, but with the different people or different teammates. So we check the version. After checking the version, the next step which we need to do, just to recap what we have seen, we create a directory. How do we create a directory? Dir, and then I'm going to create a directory I call new project. All right, new project. And if you type ls, you want to list the file and directories. Press enter. It gives me all these are the file. Okay, all these are the file. You may even do the following. Let me erase Control L, ls space -l. This you will learn in Linux, but just for those who have not taken Linux, when we put hyphen means option. So you want to make option large option to see the size and so on. You press enter. Look here. Here it gives you, the large detail of your file. Okay, this is the directory, read, write, execute. This we know in the next classes, don't worry. So what I want to show you is just to find out your directory. Which one did you create? Okay, my new project, right? This one, look at the time. It was created today, April 3, 15 hours, 14 minutes. And this is the file. This is the directory, sorry. Okay? So this is it. So how do we change? How do we change the directory? We say here to change to the current directory. What do we do? CD and the new project. We are inside. Okay? To check what? To check which? To check the path. To check the path. What do we do? pwd. So here it show you present working directory is a C, users, this is the user name and directory again. Hope these are very clear to you all. Next, since we are in new project, it's even mentioned here. It is even mentioned here. This is where we are. How do we go back? CD space dot dot. We are back. We are on the root. This is called the root. Means on the owner root, the root directory. Okay. There. Again, to go back inside, what do we do? CD new project. So we are there again. Okay. We are in a new project. Fine. I showed you two ways of creating what? File. Using nano and VI. You remember? Nano and the VI. Alright? So let me create one file by using a VI. Say VI space new file .txt. Press enter. Now here it's not in editing mode. To put into editing mode, you press I from your keyboard. I. You notice down here, just yes. I. What is happening? Okay, it's in writing mode, right? Yeah, you press I, so it will mark. Sorry, it will mark the writing mode. I'm not sure why it's not writing here. Then you press escape.
So by default, it's not a right mode, so it wants to be.
Oh, it's showing down here. It's showing down here, but it was down. You see here, down here? Down here. Escape, it's moved. You press I, it shows you which mode you're in. So now you can type, you can say, this is day 2, Git collaborate. All is well. So far, so good. Okay. Now, how do we save? How do we save? Press escape from your keyboard and then shift column, double column, WQ and exclamation. W means save, Q means quick, exclamation means I'm going. Okay? Okay. Now, how do we list? We list here ls. Now this is my file. Now I have something in my directory. Okay. Now, how to read what you have written? We use meow. Do you remember? We use cat. I want to read this file. So what do? Cat space new file. Okay, this is what is written there. Next command. We use touch to create empty file. I put once again here. Here, I put here. We use touch to create an empty file. Okay? So we use touch, I say PART1. This is a created file, empty file. Understand? And then we use ls. How many files do we have? We have a 2 file, right? We have this file and this file. Okay? 2 files are there. If you put ls space -raj, it shows you how many files? 2. Okay? Created on different time. These are this time, these are this time. So now, you know 3 ways of creating a file. You know to use nano, vi, and touch. So we'll be only using this. There are different ways, but we limit ourselves on this. Okay? So this file is empty. If you try to read it, what will you find? It's a cat file 2. It's empty file. Okay? It's empty file. Again, touch space file 2.txt. These are 2 different files. Why? Why are they different? Huh? What are they different? Why this? Where are you, my mouse? Oh, why the mouse is cannot? I can't see this. Okay. Why this file is different from this? Why? Why? Are they different or same? Why? No extension. Excellent. So any extension we put here, it gives a different. Okay? They become different files. Is it clear? Okay. Now, if you want to check your file, once again, pwd. I'm here, right? So let's go here. Okay, let me open any. Okay, let me open any of them. Here. Okay, let me go inside. You two, you go to the inside, you check where you are. Where's the request? Where's my name? Here, and where's new project? So these are my files. This is the file which is empty. If I add something here, this was empty file. Control S, we save it. Or you go to the file, you save, okay. And again, if you come here, you say cut file 2.txt. Okay, it's updated. All right, it's updated. So you can update even manually. Go there and update. All right. So these are the files. If you want to install on your Mac, for those who are using the MacBook, just want to show you. You come to Git. It's a download Git. So you come to download the Git here, and then you check the Mac. Now in the Mac, here is important. In the MacBook, you come here to Homebrew. All right. In the Homebrew, you come and copy this. Okay. You copy this, and you come to your terminal. Let's say your terminal is command, right? You go to your terminal. You come to your terminal. In your terminal, you paste that command, okay? Just in your terminal, you paste your command. This is not the one. Oops. Okay, your terminal, you paste your command. After you press your command, you press enter, and then it's going to install your Homebrew. All right? Install your Homebrew. Once you install your Homebrew, the next step which you need to do, you need to come here. You need to brew install Git. All right? Once you install Git, that's it. The next you have to type Git version, it will be there. Okay? You come here, if you have a MacBook, you come here, you copy this code, you paste on your terminal. You paste on your terminal. I suppose this to be like a terminal. All right? And then once it's finished to install, then what you do, you will once you finish to install, then you will go to your terminal, you say brew install Git. Okay? So it will install the Git. Once the Git is installed, you will soon do Git --version to check. Already it's installed in my terminal here. Okay? You can check. Okay, you can check. So yeah, that's what you have to do if you have the MacBook. So it's very straightforward. Okay. All right. So hopefully everything is clear now. All right. So now we created the file or the folder. So what you're going to do, you're going to what you're going to do now, we are going to create something which is called branch. Okay. Here. Important. This is a new. Just you follow. If you have any question, please let me know so I can assist you. Right. Now the next part here is all about branch. Something to know. Git is like a tree. Everything is connected. In fact, Unix, Linux, the way the folder or directories are connected is like the tree, from the root to the branches down there. So the main branch is known as a master. Files are organized in a branch. I'll repeat once again. The files are organized in a branch. For example, the main branch is called the master. You see here? Oh, master. Okay. This is the main by default. The default branch is known as master. Okay, so you can create different branches And then this branch you can share so that somebody can work on it instead of working on master branch. All right, so I'll write down here. For your information, I'll write down here. Let me write here, mentioning something like this. Okay, I'll write here. What is a branch? What is the question to, let's say, to answer? So we say branch is, let's say, is a way of organizing files or content in repositories. Okay, default branch is master, right? Is a master. Okay, this is a default branch in local machine. Okay, master is a default branch in what? In local. When you say local, remember we have a two. One is local, another one is remote. So working in a remote, in a local devices, we call them, we call them the master. In remote, we call them the main. We call them the main, or yeah, we call them the main. Okay, all right here. In remote machine, default branch is called main. Okay, we call them the main. All right, we call them the main. All right, so now here, how to check branches. How to check what branches that exist. Okay. How to check? We say git branch. Here you can check it. Okay, you can check it. All right. Let me end this one. Okay, let me end here and then we go there. Now we do this git branch. It shows there is no branch, it shows only master branch. Okay. Now the question is how to create a branch. All right. How do we create a branch? Again, I'll put here. How to create a branch. So to get a branch, we say git branch followed by the new branch. Let's say new branch. What is not there? What did you say?
Not a valid object named master.
Not about name master. So why this is not okay? So pardon me? Same?
Yes.
Same error?
Same.
Okay. Git branch new valid object master. So okay. Git branch. Wait a minute. Let me see. All right. Okay. Here is the thing. Correct. We did not start. Did we? Let's say git initialize. Okay. Yes, please.
How do you get into the master?
Yeah, git branch. Let me first initialize this one. Let's say git branch new branch. Again, okay. Again, we initialize. Let me say git excellent. 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 Git what are you doing? This is an ending group. Let me kill it in this way. I come back here. What happens here? Oh, it's happening here. We come once again to this. Let's come once again to this. We say git. Let's say branch new branch. See, same way. Git check out master. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's create one more. Let's come back to that one. Say cd new project git init, and then we say git status. So we have all this file here. Now let me add on git once again git status git add file file2 .txt git status. So this file is in stage. Remember, this file is in a stage. File 2 is in a stage, so it needs to be committed. Okay, it needs to be committed. Sorry, I say git commit message and file2.txt is committed. Okay, file change is installation. Now it says git status. So these are the files which are not, added. So if I want to say git add, all right. Now when you do this, when you say git add this period here, it means all the file. You want to add all the file. Okay, you want to add all the file. So I erase the screen. This is a step. This is the step. Now check the status. Can you check the status? Git status. So as you see, all these files they are at the stage, right? The stage. So I can add them. I say git commit message file2 and new files.txt are added. Okay, git status. Now nothing's there to commit. Okay? There's nothing there to commit. Nothing's there to commit. So now let's try to create a branch. Again, git branch master. Now as you see, because before there was nothing was there, we didn't enter into the stage. Now the master was not there. Now it is showing master. Okay? Now you have the master branch. After creating repository. Now creating a new branch. To create a new branch, you say git branch new branch. You can give any name. Okay? Again, git branch. How many branches you have now? 2. Master and a new branch. Now let me create another one. Git branch HCI branch. Git branch. How many branches? 3 branches, right? HCI, master, and a new branch. Okay? 3 branches. As you see, the star is what the master means we're using master. Okay? All right. Now, how to switch? How to switch from one branch to another? Just type this sentence, this line only. Can I erase? Okay. Can I erase? Okay. Now, question is here. How to switch from one branch to another. How do you do that? You do in 2 ways. You say git branch. You may say git branch checkout. Check out. Okay? Followed by the branch name. It's a new branch. Okay? And here you say git branch. Oh, sorry, not new branch. So this is it created new. It's created, a new one which is called a checkout, a new branch. 2 branches at the same time. So what you need to do, you need to do the following. You need to do git checkout. Let's say HCI branch. Please write down this one, this sentence. Okay, you press enter. Now, do you see the changes? Hope you can see. Here, we changed this one. Okay, this changed it here, the new branch. This is one way. Git checkout branch name. Git checkout branch name. Right? Git checkout branch name. Another way, it's let's say you want to check out. You say git checkout. So we are now in a checkout branch. Okay. All right. I say git branch. Do you see now the checkout is highlighted green, means we are in a checkout branch. Okay, we are in checkout branch. Second way, I mentioned, second way of switching branch. Now the second way we use a switch, we say git switch, let's say HCI branch. Okay, we use the keyword switch instead of this is the latest one. We use git switch HCI. There we are in HCI branch. All right. Now you can change the master. You can switch the master. Git switch master. Error don't happen. This is working. So okay.
We don't have to share question. How do you create it? How many capacity you put
New project. New or
คือตอนไหนที่เราเข้ามาต้องเขียนว่าเราต้องทำเขียนตลอด
ไม่ต้องทำเนี่ยไม่ต้องทำเลยไม่ต้องทำ
project นี้จะต้องทำตลอดไม่ต้องมันจะเป็นสิ่งที่อยู่ในเซ็ตเช็คถ่ายชาร์จอะไรกันต้องเช็คถ่ายcreate file
ไม่ใช่เหนียวมันก็เชือกคนหนึ่ง
Thank you. Control over the X.
Why there's no brand?
Some create brands Yes, Morgan.
ถ้าแค่ไม่เหมือนกับเป็นเขาเหมือนเป็นโคเดอร์แหละมือสองตัวที่ก็สลับโคเดอร์อย่างนั้นที่มันไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลยอ๋อกินที่ก็ทำเป็นมาสเตอร์เพื่อที่สร้างขึ้นมาลองคิดกัน This time you got